In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell how much customers owe in QuickBooks Online. If you're tracking your finances and customer payments through QuickBooks, knowing exactly how much is owed to you can be crucial for maintaining healthy cash flow in your business. Let's dive right into it and make this process as clear and simple as possible for you. First, you need to sign in to QuickBooks Online. Launch your preferred web browser, head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page where you'll have the option to select QuickBooks Online. Make sure to choose this option as it aligns with our focus today. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and type in your username and password. Once you've double checked that the information is correct, click Continue. This will log you into your QuickBooks Online account and set you up for the next steps. Now that you're signed in, we'll move on to finding the necessary reports. Navigate to the menu and select Reports. This section is essentially the hub for all your financial data, offering a comprehensive look at various aspects of your business performance. Reports can provide insights into sales, expenses, and more, but today we are focusing on customer balances. In the Reports section, you'll find a search bar. Here you want to type in Customer Balance Summary. As you type, QuickBooks will suggest reports based on your input. Make sure you select the Customer Balance Summary report from the suggestions. This report is tailored specifically to show you the outstanding balances each customer owes. Clicking on the Customer Balance Summary will generate a detailed list of your customers, each accompanied by the amount they owe your business. This list is an excellent tool for quickly identifying overdue payments, seeing which customers contribute most to your receivables, and planning your follow-up strategy accordingly. Having this summary allows you to efficiently manage accounts receivable and maintain a clear picture of your business's financial health. Remember, staying on top of these balances not only helps in managing cash flow, but also strengthens customer relationships through timely communication and invoicing. And that's it, your guide to checking how much customers owe in QuickBooks Online. Make sure you regularly run this report and address any outstanding invoices promptly. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other QuickBooks tutorials for more tips and tricks. Happy bookkeeping!